Leona polyamide resin readily absorbs moisture, which can change its dimensions and properties. Accurate prediction is vital for material design. The water absorption simulation tool streamlines this process for engineers and designers. Start by selecting your calculation type: prediction or acceleration. Enter the environmental temperature and humidity for your test. Choose the Leona grade and specify your sample's thickness. Next, set your simulation's termination condition. Choose a fixed time or equilibrium state. After entering user information, launch the simulation. The tool displays clear graphs of moisture absorption over time and across thickness. Compare conditions and download the data for further analysis as needed. Using this tool helps you understand moisture behavior, enabling better design and reliable performance.